Hola Mis Amores, bienvenidos a mi canal. We are jumping right into this little tutorial, little wash and go. So I'm taking the Shea Moisture, Manuka Honey, and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Leave-In Milk. And then I'm taking the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. I did these two together one time and I had like my hair looked bomb as fuck. Excuse my language. I'm not using this. I'm showing the Diva Curl Archangel gel. I'm not using that today, but this is one of like my favorite gels, and yeah, I guess I just showed it. The fuck off. So I'm starting off with just wetting my hair and just, getting the water to my scalp. And then I'm going to go in with the, what is it? I'm going to go in with the Alikay Naturals Essential 17 Hair Growth Oil. It has, what is it? I think it's like horsetail powder or something like that. Basically, that's what makes your hair grow, so you want to shake it up hard before you actually use it because that's like the active ingredient. I'm just going to massage that into my scalp, loosen up the dirt just a little bit. So now I'm just going to get water mixing with that oil, and I'm going to split my hair into two sections. Or no, actually, do I do four? Okay, yeah. I split my hair into four sections, and at this point, I am just going to kind of, I guess you can say like finger detail or detangle. Just get like the majority of the knots out first, and I do this under running water because I only have that oil in my hair. I have no conditioner, nothing in my hair for slip. So as you can see here, I'm moving on to the top section, just kind of like rubbing it in, doing all that stuff, and then I just move on to the next side. Or yeah, okay, no, I guess not. So I'm just taking a wide tooth comb and I'm just gonna, yeah. So after I've combed out my hair a little bit, I'm going with my shampoo. Today I'm using the the original Argan Oil shampoo and conditioner. This is just a shampoo and conditioner I keep in my shower. Usually I will do, like I said, something completely different every time I wash my hair, including my shampoos and conditioners. So yeah, as you can see, I'm doing like a zigzag type motion. You don't want to do like swirls because that's just gonna like create tangles, and that's obviously like not what we want. So yeah, just doing like some zigzags, wash that out. And then I'm going to take some more shampoo, shampoo twice, condition once. And then this time I'm just going to like start off in the back just to make sure that the whole of my scalp is being cleaned. So now I'm taking the Diva Curl Heaven and Hair, I believe it is. It's a deep conditioning hair mask, whatever. I usually deep condition my hair every time I wash my hair, which is once a week. What I used to do was like overnight deep conditioners before I actually like wash my hair, but then I started like shampooing first, deep condition, then condition. But since this was like the end of the jar, I used the rest of it. I just decided to slap it on after shampooing. Now I'm just going to take my wide tooth comb, just comb through the hair, and just move that on through. And then I believe I take my organics conditioner, there it is, and I'm going to just add that to my hair and then basically like let that sit. So after adding more conditioner to the back of my head, because the back of my head is really like the driest, I am taking the Tangle Teaser. I don't know if this is the original or the second, third, fourth edition, whatever it is. It's the pink one. I'm just gonna slick down my hair, and I know it looks like I'm being like super rough, but I swear I'm not. It's like 1 or 2 knots. I don't like using this one to detangle anymore because I notice I would get a lot of hair like ripped out. So I like to use this after I have like finger detangled, or after I have detangled like with a wide tooth comb, and then I'll just use that to slick it down. I'm putting my hair in a bun, trying to keep in as much conditioner as I can as it's clearly pouring down my back. And then I'm going to finish my shower, wash my face, wash my ass, and I'll be back. Now I am turning the water down on cold, like very cold. I usually take like lukewarm showers, so it's not even like the biggest change. Um, but this is, I'm just gonna like run my fingers through my hair really quick before I rinse it all out, because this is going to be the last time that water is like in my hair and I'm like in the shower. So I always hit my hair with cold water just so I can like seal the hair follicles, the cuticle. Sounds gross. And that prevents frizz and helps your hair look shiny. Okay, so the first thing I'm going in with is the Blueberry Bliss, the hair oil. I believe this is like the hair growth oil or something like that. I always start with this. Well, not always. I just started doing this really because I noticed my hair just is just so dry. So I put this in my scalp. I'll just massage it in for like, I don't know, like 10, 15 seconds. After that, I go on my Shea Moisture Manuka honey, and I'm just going to get some of that, slap that on like basically the whole of my hair. I'm just going to get the top, I'm going to get the bottom, I'm going to get the shaft, the ends, the roots, the whole thing, and just make sure the majority is covered before I start sectioning. Like I said, the back of my hair is the driest, so I make sure I actually like pay attention to this specifically. So I will split my hair in half, as you saw, put it in the very back, and then I do work the bottom back of my hair more than really like any other part of my hair because of that. And now I'm taking the Jamaican black castor oil leave-in, and I'm going to split my hair into 4 sections, I believe. So I split my hair into 4 sections, and then I start to put it in 4 sections. So this is another new thing that I started. Well, not really new, but I will comb through my hair just so I can disperse the product evenly throughout my hair. And then after splitting my hair into two, I notice when I'm about to split the top part of my hair into, that middle piece or section is always so dry, like above my ears or whatever, is always so frizzy, like it makes no sense to me at all. So I will split the top section into half, so then I end up with like 6 different sections. So now I'm just finishing up this half of my hair. I'm just going to keep finger detangling. I'm going to take my comb and just comb the whole half, make sure all that's dispersed, and I will take my tangle teaser and go through and, slick everything down, make sure like the ends are sealed and whatever, all the knots are gone, the hair is smooth. And then I'll just take my fingers and just kind of like remove, like, the tangle teaser will like flatten the hair like onto your scalp. So this is basically me just making sure my hair doesn't dry flat. And I will just finish the other half now. Alrighty, so I'm out the shower now. I went ahead and did the exact same thing to the other half. Once I finish doing my hair, I'll put it in a little bun, rinse off, because I have all that product on my body and it's gross. Get out, get dressed, do my skincare, and then I'll take my bun down. So I just touched up my middle part just to make sure it's even straight. And now I'm just kind of running my fingers through my hair, just to, reactivate that product or whatever. I'm taking the Diva Ultra Defining Gel, and at first I'm just going to start from the top and just work my way, just like what I did with the Manuka leave-in, just get it all through my hair first. So now I have split my hair into half. I took one pump and now I'm just working that into the left side of my hair. And I'm gonna do, the whole prayer hands. I usually don't scrunch, but for some reason I did. And I did the same thing, took another pump, and now I'm adding that to that side. And then I'm going to flip my hair over, and I didn't take another pump, I'm just whatever's in my hair, making sure that the back of my head is smooth and like the perimeter of my hair and all that. So I usually don't do this, but I decided to do it. I'm just gonna finger coil the front of my hair because, like I said, with the back, the perimeter of my hair gets really frizzy. So I'm just gonna finger coil just to try and keep that at bay. It's usually just like above my ears and the front. And just for shits and giggles, I'm gonna take another pump of gel and just run that through my hair, and then that's just going to be the last of it. And then I am basically done. So I want y'all to really take notice at the length of my hair, okay? Because when this dries, it's not going to look like this. So I am back. This is about maybe 2 to 3 hours later. I air dried my hair. Usually I air dry outside, like in the sun. Like, look at that shrinkage, bro. It's so aggravating. I wish I had straight hair. I hate this. But anyways, there was no sun because, it's the end of the night. So I just sat in front of a fan. And so this is what I do every time I wash my hair. I'll probably stop doing this maybe like 4 days in when it's getting close to me having to wash my hair again. But this is what I do before bed, and this is what I'm getting ready for. So I will just twirl my hair into a bun, a very loose bun, take an elastic band, and then just like secure that on once. So it's like really loose. I'm not going to get any crimps and whatever. So now I'm taking this little headscarf. I believe I got this at Walmart, over by the Deweys, in the ethnic section. And so I tied this one in the back first, just because, when I toss and turn the back, like the underneath, them little baby hairs, they be getting so frizzy, looking so stupid when they're dry. And then I take my second one and then I wrap this on the front. And obviously this is just going to do exactly what the back one is doing, just going to protect the entire perimeter of my hair. Like when I tell you the entire perimeter of my hair is dry, it is dry. And I'm trying to not have that before I shave my fucking hair off. So now I'm taking my bonnet. And we put that on and we do what we do. And that's just what it is. So it's the end of the night and I'm done and I'm signing out. Honestly, like I'm still tripping out about like how dark I am right now. I'm so dark. I'm so tan. I just came back from Puerto Rico last month and I literally tanned. Like I laid out and tanned for whatever reason to like 6 shades darker than like my actual normal color. That's beside the point. So this is like 2 days later. Usually I'll take my hair out the bun the next day, but I wasn't going anywhere. I wasn't doing anything. So tonight was the night. So my hair is a little frizzier. I do have, what is it? It's the Cheese Silk Infusion oil in my hair. In my hands. And so I'm just rubbing that through my hair, loosening up the curls, fluffing up the curls, elongating that highlight, popping. So yeah, this is just my end results. These are what my curls are looking like. Very voluminous, very defined. And yeah, they're just gonna start to drop within the next couple of days, obviously with wear. So if you like this video, like, and that's it. Bye.